This one secret you should know about affiliate marketing. Hi everyone, this is Chetan, and in this amazing video I am going to talk about one of the most popular ways to make money online, affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing, how does it work, and one of the most important secrets that not everyone tells you about, selling. So I will cover all of this. Make sure you watch this video till the end. But before I move forward, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video. So let's start. First, let's talk about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. So affiliate marketing definition is as simple as making the tea. You just have to promote other people's product, and whenever you make sale, you get your commission. But how does it work? So let's say you want to make money online, but you don't have any business, no product, no inventory, but you want to make money online. So what you do is simply you just partner with other people or other companies and promote their products, and whenever you make sale, you get a cut or commission. That's how you and vendor both makes money. This is how affiliate marketing works. So yeah, you know what is affiliate marketing and how does it work, but how you can do to make money online. What is the process? So I will talk about that, but before, you need to understand what is affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing. Let's talk about that. So affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing both are same. The major difference between both affiliate marketing is the commission rates. Commission rates are always higher in high ticket affiliate marketing. If you are promoting a product and the commission rate between $500 to more than $1,000, this is called high ticket affiliate marketing. But that's not all, guys. There are so many other factors that make high ticket affiliate marketing different and a great choice for most of the affiliate marketers. I will talk more about both affiliate marketing in my another video, but let's talk about how you can do affiliate marketing and make money online, and what are the steps or points you should follow to succeed in affiliate marketing. First is niche and product. You have to find a product that is related to your niche, a great product that provides value to your audience and pays high ticket commission. And second thing is email automation that runs on autopilot and send emails to your email subscribers and make money 24/7 for you. Third is the most important, traffic. You have to start creating content on social media, on YouTube, to start driving traffic and make sales. So guys, this is all about affiliate marketing, but what is the one secret that no one tells you about selling and why this is important? Let's talk about that. So selling is one of the most important and crucial part in affiliate marketing or in any business. Without selling, I don't think you can make money. And most people tell you that you just have to create content to make sale, but guys, the reality here is just by creating content, you can't make sales. So what is the solution for that? So when you create content and once you build the trust in front of your audience, that's the time to start go in front of your audience and tells them that you have something that can solve their problems. You have to start adding call to action in your every content. You have to start making offers in front of your audience, and that's how you can start making sales. So guys, this is for today's video. I'm doing affiliate marketing from my last 2 years, and affiliate marketing is something that changed my life totally, guys. But one thing that I want to tell you in this video, that this is not a quick rich scheme. You have to invest your time, effort, and sometimes money to succeed in affiliate marketing. And if you are ready for this, you can easily succeed and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. I hope you got some knowledge, and as always, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question or suggestion for me, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.